Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin is behaving like a stablecoin, consolidating within a narrow range between 96,000 and 98,000, signaling market indecision. This kind of sideways action typically precedes a breakout, and with 97,500 aligning perfectly with a key horizontal support level on my chart, all eyes are on the next move. Structurally, Bitcoin remains above the 21, 50, and 200 EMAs, reinforcing underlying strength. Meanwhile, the wave trend indicator is coiling tightly around the zero line, compressing like a spring. Historically, this setup resolves with an impulsive move, and if I had to bet, I'd favor a breakout to the upside. Though let's be honest, I'm a permabull when it comes to Bitcoin price action. ETF flows continue to support the bullish case, with a 70.6 million inflow on Friday. Fidelity led the charge, adding 94 million, while BlackRock contributed 22.3 million. Despite recent price stagnation, institutional appetite for Bitcoin remains strong. But here's where it gets interesting. In the last 24 hours, the one-week liquidation heat map has seen a substantial buildup of short positions between 98,800 and 99,300. That means market makers now have an even bigger incentive to drive prices into that zone to trigger liquidations and fuel further upside momentum. The market isn't random. Liquidity pools like this act as magnets, and Bitcoin's next move could very well be dictated by these trapped shorts. With volatility typically expanding into the weekly close, I'm expecting a decisive move heading into Sunday night and Monday, much like we've seen in recent weeks. And if this cycle continues, next week could be setting up for a strong bullish push. Join the free Discord for live trade ideas and deeper market discussions. If you found this analysis valuable, like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. And see you in the next one.